From the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean Sea to the captivating architecture, Barcelona pulses with life. Join me as we journey through this Catalonian capital, unveiling the top 10 destinations for your 2024 itinerary. From the awe-inspiring Sagrada Família to the vibrant Ramblas, prepare to be captivated by Barcelona's charm. La Sagrada Família is Antoni Gaudi's masterpiece, a testament to faith and human endeavor. Its soaring towers and intricate facades evoke a sense of the divine, making it a marvel of engineering and artistry. Park Güell, perched atop Carmel Hill, invites you to step into a fairy tale. Designed by Gaudi, the park is a mosaic of colorful tiles, serpentine benches, and fantastical structures. The mosaic salamander, El Drac, has become a symbol of Barcelona and a popular photo spot. Along Passeig de Gràcia, Casa Batlló stands as a testament to Gaudi's boundless imagination. Its undulating facade, reminiscent of a dragon's back, is adorned with shimmering tiles. Each tile was individually crafted and placed by hand, creating a dazzling display of artistry. La Rambla is a vibrant artery that courses through the heart of Barcelona. From street performers and flower stalls to bustling cafes and shops, La Rambla offers a glimpse into the soul of the city. As you stroll down this iconic boulevard, keep an eye out for the Joan Miró mosaic underfoot. This vibrant artwork is a testament to Barcelona's love affair with art. Step back in time as you wander through the labyrinthine streets of the Gothic Quarter. Ancient Roman walls, medieval arches, and hidden plazas whisper tales of Barcelona's rich history. At the heart of the Gothic Quarter lies the Barcelona Cathedral, a masterpiece of Catalan Gothic architecture. Its soaring nave and intricate stained glass offer a sanctuary from the bustling city. Montjuïc offers breathtaking panoramic views, verdant gardens, and cultural treasures. Explore the Montjuïc Castle and wander through the Olympic Stadium, a legacy of the 1992 Summer Olympics. For a magical experience, visit the magic fountain of Montjuïc at night. As water dances to music and light, you'll be treated to an unforgettable spectacle. For fans of the beautiful game, a pilgrimage to Camp Nou, the home of FC Barcelona, is a must. Experience the electric atmosphere of a match day, or take a behind-the-scenes tour to learn about the club's history. Imagine the roar of the crowd as legendary players have graced this field, creating footballing history. Escape the urban bustle and embrace the Mediterranean lifestyle at Barceloneta Beach. Bask in the sun, take a refreshing dip in the sea, or enjoy a leisurely stroll along the promenade. Indulge in the freshest seafood at one of the many beachfront restaurants, while enjoying stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. The Palau de la Música Catalana is a masterpiece of Catalan modernism. Its ornate concert hall, adorned with stained glass and mosaics, is a testament to the power of music. Attend a performance and let the beauty of the Palau and the artistry of the musicians transport you to another world. As night descends, make your way to the foot of Montjuïc for a spectacle that will leave you breathless. The magic fountain of Montjuïc comes alive with a dazzling display of water, light, and music. Be mesmerized by the choreographed jets of water that dance to a soundtrack of classical and modern music. Barcelona's allure is undeniable. From Gaudi's architecture to vibrant street life and stunning natural beauty, this city has something for every traveler. As you plan your 2024 adventure, let this guide lead you to the heart of what makes Barcelona unforgettable.